Moto launched new phone. This is the successor of Moto Edge series, but Moto Edge was not much popular and it was expensive. But this is in the budget category, the phone which you can buy. Hey, this is KRS. You are watching Tech. This phone is launched couple of days ago in China. Talking about the display in this phone, you will get IPS display. It is okay, but with the IPS you will get 90 hertz. Inches you will get is 6.7 inch, and it is a 1080p resolution. This phone is IP certified, means it is a waterproof phone. And talking about the OS, it is a of course stock Android experience. You'll get Android 11 out of the box. And talking about the performance, you will get Snapdragon 870, which is kind of first phone which is launching in this processor, and it is powerful processor. You'll get Adreno 650. The processor is based on 7 nanometer. And talking about the battery, you will get 5000 mAh battery. And in the box you will get 20-watt fast charger support. You will get side mounted fingerprint scanner because this has the IPS display, so in screen fingerprint will not available. You'll get side mounted fingerprint experience. And talking about the color, you will get two color, which is blue and silver. You will get three variant in storage, which is 6 plus 128, 8 plus 256, and 8 plus 128. It will be supported UFS 3.1. Talking about the camera segment, you'll get 64 megapixel camera, which is primary at backside. You will get 16 megapixel, which is ultra wide, and you will get 2 megapixel for depth. You will record 6K at 30 fps in backside, and in front side you can record 1080p at 30 fps. And yeah, it is a type C phone, and you will get type C 2. Talking about the phone is amazing. And in China it is launched around 25,000 rupees after converting. And exclusively it will be also cheap. So I recommend to buy this phone because some are telling this will be competing with many companies in this price segment. And Moto is coming with a much exclusive price, and it is quite awesome phone. Hopefully you like this video. Share among your friends, subscribe to our channel, press bell notification so you'll never miss any other update.